Hey there guys, it's Amanda. Thank you for coming by my channel today. I truly appreciate it. Welcome to another Slow Cooker Saturday. Today we are making a recipe out of a cookbook I have, and it's called a honeyed apple treat. You're going to start by chopping and peeling your apples and putting them in the slow cooker, and then you'll add your granola. This is the granola that I used. I didn't use all 4 tart apples. I used 2 Granny Smith apples, and then I used 2 Gala apples. Then you're going to want to take your honey, your melted butter, your cinnamon, your little dash of nutmeg, and then I added to the recipe a tablespoon of brown sugar. And you're going to want to mix that all into a bowl until well combined. And then you're going to want to pour that all over your granola and apples and mix it in really good. And here's where you're just going to pour your liquid mixture over your granola and your apples, and you're going to mix it in, and then you're going to want to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. I actually needed to use these apples because they were getting a little older, so they were a lot softer than normal crisp apples, so it didn't take that much time for it to cook. I think it only cooked for about 4 to 4.5 hours on low, so just make sure that you watch them in between the cooking times, because everybody's slow cooker cooks differently. And here it is after the cooking time. The granola was all nice and soft, and it was kind of like an apple oatmeal at the same time, so you could technically have this for breakfast. It may be a little sweet for you, but we had it with ice cream and it was so good, guys. I hope you give this a try. Thank you again for coming by my channel today. I truly appreciate it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderfully awesome, amazing day.